Let me show you the process on how to enable dark mode on YouTube. If you currently have light mode enabled and you're trying to add in a darker theme, let me show you through this video. Open up the YouTube video app on your phone and then head over to the profile section on the bottom right. Once you're inside of this section, as you can see, I already have my dark theme turned on. In order for you to do this as well, tap on the settings icon on the top right and then head over to the general settings. Inside of the general settings, the third option you'll see is the option of appearance. It says right here, choose your light or dark theme preferences. Tap on this option and you'll have three options: the dark theme, the light theme, and the use device theme. Now, if you don't have your mobile theme to default on the dark theme mode, you can just tap on the dark theme option and your entire theme of YouTube will be changed to dark. Either you can tap on the dark theme option or you can also choose the use device theme. This way, if you have your device theme on dark mode as well, your YouTube theme will also be enabled as dark theme. So that's how easily you can enable dark mode on YouTube. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.